In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Trello in just 5 minutes. Trello is a fantastic tool designed to help you capture, organize, and manage your tasks efficiently, regardless of whether you're at your desk or on the go. So, if you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, let's dive in. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Trello homepage. The website is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Once there, you'll notice that Trello offers features that can help you streamline your to-do list and improve team collaboration. Take a moment to browse the homepage to familiarize yourself with the benefits Trello has to offer. Next, you'll want to click on the button that says Get Trello for free. This option is perfect whether you're an individual looking to organize your life or a team seeking a collaborative platform. You'll find this button prominently displayed on the homepage, making it easy to access Trello's core features without the hassle of any upfront costs. After clicking the button, you'll be presented with different sign-up options. Trello is part of the Atlassian suite, so you can sign up using your preferred method. You have the flexibility to register using your Google account, Microsoft account, Apple ID, or even your Slack credentials. These options provide a seamless sign-up experience by allowing you to integrate Trello with the services you already use every day. If you choose to continue with Google or another service, you'll be redirected to the respective login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you may need to grant Trello permission to access your basic information from the service you chose. This step is standard to ensure your account is set up securely and efficiently. Once your account is created, you'll be redirected back to Trello. Congratulations, you're now ready to start using Trello. The first thing you might want to do is create a new board. Boards in Trello represent projects or categories and are the main way of organizing your tasks. You can create multiple boards depending on your needs, whether it's for work projects, personal goals, or anything else you'd like to organize. Explore the different features Trello has to offer, such as creating lists and cards, which can be moved around your board like sticky notes. This flexibility allows you to customize your workflow to fit your personal or team requirements. And don't worry, Trello is intuitive enough that you'll get the hang of it in no time. There you have it, a quick and simple way to join Trello and start boosting your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore all the features Trello offers to fully customize your organization strategy. Enjoy your Trello journey and happy organizing.